Hello all. Today I have come with a very exciting topic, that is main verbs. Now I'm going to teach you what are these main verbs, what are the different forms of main verbs. Right? Main verbs are nothing but they are called as action words. Look, in our daily life we perform many actions, isn't it? The moment we wake up from the bed till we go to bed, we perform some hundreds of actions. Like for example, we eat, we talk, we cook, we cut vegetables, we write, we listen to the music. Now all this whatever I have listed just now, that is eat, sit, stand, sleep, wash, cook, cut. Now all these are called as action words. So in our daily life we perform so many actions. Now these actions, let us see, these actions are called as verbs. Now let us see what are the different forms of verbs. Now, main verbs are divided into regular verbs and irregular verbs. Now, what are these regular verbs? Let us see. These regular verbs are further divided into V1, Vs, V2, V3, V4. Don't get confused. Verbs are divided into V1, Vs, V2, V3, V4. Now, this V1 and Vs, they are used in the present tense. They are used in the simple present. V2 is used in the past, V3 is used in the perfect tenses, and V4 in the continuous tenses. In detail, in the future classes, I am going to explain. Simple example I want to give you. For example, if I ask you, what did you do yesterday? Now, yesterday is nothing but it is about the past time. Gatam gurinchi kada, జరిగిపోయింది. So, జరిగిపోయిన దాని గురించి నువ్వు చెప్తున్నావు అనుకో, you are going to pick V2 forms. I went to my hometown, I cleaned my house, I dusted my house. Did you understand? జరిగిపోయింది. That is nothing but V2 form. జరుగుతున్నది. Now I'm asking you, what are you doing now? I'm cleaning my kitchen. I'm writing notes. I am reading a lesson. I am reading or learning answers. Now ing forms are used generally for the continuous tenses. అన్ని continuous tenses కి మనము V4 యూస్ చేస్తాం. వీటిని ing forms అని కూడా అంటారు. Did you understand? So in future you are going to know better about the, in detail about V2 and V3. Okay. Now let us see V1. V1 is called as a root verb. Root verb. I am putting as RV, right? VS is nothing but root verb plus S, ES, IES. చాలా మటుకు ఎస్ఏ యాడ్ చేస్తాము రూట్ వర్బ్ కి ఎస్ అనే యాడ్ చేస్తాము. ఆల్మోస్ట్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు యాడ్ ఎస్ ఓన్లీ టు ద రూట్ వర్బ్. క్లీన్, క్లీన్స్. విజిట్, విజిట్స్. రైట్? ఆస్, ఆస్. Work, works. Got it? Look, looks. Act, acts. Show, shows. Cry, look here. IES. IES. Even fry also IES. Try also IES. Watch, watches. In some of the cases, you are going to use ES and IES. Mostly, you are going to use S only. Most cases, you have S ending only to VS. Least cases, you are going to use ES and IES. Got it? Now, coming to V2. Now, here, V2, V3, they have the suffix ED added to RV. That is root verb. To the root verb, suffix ed is added. Even V3 also. Ed. Cleaned, cleaned. Visited, visited. Asked, asked. Worked, worked. Looked, looked. Did you understand? Act, acted. Showed, showed. Cried, cried. Fried, fried. Tried, tried. Watched, watched. So you have the regular ending of suffix ed added to root verb. Now that is why these verbs are called as regular verbs. What are regular verbs? Regular verbs means to the V2 and V3 you have the suffix ed added to it. Got it? They are called as regular verbs. Now before going to irregular verbs, I want you people to take a moment and show your support by liking this video. Right? Now let us go to irregular verbs. Now when it comes to irregular verbs, also V1, Vs, V2, V3, V4. Here, when you carefully notice V2, V3, you don't have any ed ending. They are sometimes they are similar, sometimes they are totally different. Let us see. For example, go, goes, yes. Went, gone. Went, gone. You don't have any ed ending here. And V4 is same it is. You don't have any difficulty with the V4, just simply ing form. That is to the to V1 you are going to add ing form. So that is called, you can add like this also, V1 ing. V1 plus ing is V4. Right? Eat, eats. Ate, eaten. చూసారా, అంటే టోటల్గా డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది మీకు. దిస్ ఇస్ ఐఎన్జీ ఓన్లీ. ఇక్కడ మీరు గమనించినట్లయితే ఈడి ఈడియే ఉంటుంది. మొత్తం రెగ్యులర్ వర్బ్స్ కన్నీ మీకు ఈడియే ఉంటుంది. V2 V3 మీకు ఇంకేం కాంప్లికేషన్ అక్కడ ఉండదు. ఈడియే ఉంటుంది. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చే వరకు మీకు టోటల్గా డిఫరెంట్ ఉంటుంది. దట్ ఈస్ వై దే ఆర్ కాల్డ్ as irregular verbs. Take, takes. Took, taken. Taking. See, sees. Saw, seen. Come, comes, came, come. Have you noticed here? Here V1, this is also, it is appearing like V1 only. Come, come only it is. Got it? Both V1 and V3 are same. ఇక్కడ V1 V3 చూసినట్లయితే గమనించినట్లయితే మనకి సేమ్ ఉన్నది. సేమ్ we are coming to cut, cuts, cut, cut. Both are same. V2 V3 are same. Run, runs, ran, run, running. Sell, sells, sold, sold, selling. Catch, catches. Caught, caught. చూడండి మళ్ళీ here you have the same, similar. Caught, caught, catching. Speak, speaks. Spoke, so, spoken, that is totally different. Speak, speaks, spoke, spoken. This is ing. Got it? Hope you understood this. Students, I want to test you. Hope you understood the difference between regular, irregular. Now I just want to test you. I have given you 5 verbs. Just write down VS, V2, V3, V4 in the comment section. I'll just give you 1 minute time. Okay? Hope you have written. I want you people to check your answers. VS is brings. This is brought. Even V3 is also brought. V4 is ing form, bringing. V1 plus ing. Buy, buys. Bought. Usually students they get confused with bring and buy. Bring, brought, brought. Buy, bought, bought. Bring అంటే తీసుకురావటము, buy అంటే కొనటం, right? Buying. Prepare. Now these two are regular or irregular? Now these two are irregular verbs. Prepare. Prepares. Prepared. It's a regular verb. Ed ending. Prepared. This is preparing, ing form. Give, gives, gave, given. This is giving. Put, puts. Yes. Put, put, putting. Got it? This is, look, this one is regular. Remaining 4 are irregular. If this video added value, consider to like, share and subscribe for more.